I've heard so much about this car. I've heard a lot about the performance of this car, the way that it handles. We've got a track to do it.
This is the first Kia's all-electric car, so pretty excited to try my hands at it. It will be nice to see how it behaves.
Looking at the spec, clearly this is a cutting-edge EV, and just looking at what it offers, I think it's got a lot of potential.
The first time I'm driving the Ev6, so looking forward to it. Very enthusiastic, very energetic, really good turn of speed, a fun car to drive, fun electric car to drive.
It's quick, it handles really well, I like the steering and I really like how it turns into a corner.
Space, the cabin quality, the feature set and just the overall design, very stylish.
The whole gravity mode again, the off-the-line torque, and of course the braking, which also has sports mode. That's pretty interesting.
The really standout point was the way this car performs, especially in a straight line and also around corners.
Kia, movement that inspires.